Okay, so welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be doing a sound test with the SoundCore motion boom versus the Logitech Z407. There's the two speakers behind the desk and the little sub down there. So it's just going to be a simple sound test against these two. I'm going to be using the Diamond Eyes song because that's what I'm used to. So, and I think it's a good, obviously we're going to be using both the same song both times. So I'll play a minute and a half-ish of it on here, and then the second one will be the speakers behind the desk.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare, 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold you hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me.
So that's a minute of that song, and that was on full volume. Now I'm going to play it on here at full volume as well.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare, 'cause the flames won't burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold you hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me.
So I can't take much more of that, it's so loud. But bearing in mind as well, these speakers are about 80 quid each. Both of these, the desk speakers and the hyper boom thing, whatever it's called, motion boom. So it's quite a good comparison. Obviously the desk speakers are mains powered, this is battery, so there's going to be a slight improvement there. But on the most part, they're quite similar, and that's quite impressive considering how small and, well, portable this little thing is here. So yeah, if you have any questions or anything, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching.